Okay, so first, do we want to go over
the cavities?
Yeah.
Okay, so the first one is a pleural cavity, so it's just this area where the lungs are.
Okay, and then the pericardial cavity.
This is where the heart is.
Okay, so parietal pleura.
Parietal pleura is the outside. We already got rid of it, but it is also this right here that you can kind of see it's shiny.
Okay, visceral pleura.
Visceral is actual, on the pleura would be the lungs.
Yeah.
So
parietal, pericardium.
Parietal is just the same thing too on the outside.
Pericardium. It's on the outside of the heart.
Right, the parietal.
Mm-hmm. And then the visceral pericardium.
Right here.
Yeah. Okay, so
the thymus.
atriums.
The thymus. The thymus were these two right here. They used to be closer together.
Yeah. Okay, and then the left and right atriums.
This is the right atrium, and this is the left atrium.
Okay, and the ventricles.
So this is the right ventricle, that's blue. Right ventricle is red.
Okay. Aorta.
The aorta is this, this is just the vein right there.
And then the inferior vena cava.
Inferior vena cava.
Above the diaphragm under the heart.
Oh, sorry. Okay. It's right there.
Okay. And then the brachiocephalic veins.
Okay, so the brachiocephalic veins. So here the jugular, it goes underneath I don't know, it just connects. Okay, so the jugular vein connects with the subclavian vein, right?
Mm-hmm.
And becomes
brachiocephalic vein.
Brachiocephalic vein that they both connect at the right atria, and then at the right atria they form one into the
inferior vena cava. Okay. The brachiocephalic trunk.
That is just this area right where the two arteries, the two arteries meet is the brachiocephalic trunk, and then the one closest to the trachea is the right common carotid artery. The one further from it is the right subclavian artery, and then same on the side, the left common carotid artery, left subclavian artery.
Okay. Vagus nerve.
Vagus nerve. Oh yeah, the vagus nerve is just this white. This side, the left you can't really see it, but the right, I think we got rid of, ripped it off. But the right you can see it's the white area next to the right common carotid. Coronary artery and coronary veins. That's just the blue and red lines on the actual heart itself. The red is the arteries and the blue are the veins. And then where the two meet is the apex. And that's just a point on the heart. And then the pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein we couldn't really find because
they go into the ventricles. Or the vein comes out of the ventricle and the artery goes into the other ventricle. Okay, so the lungs.
Okay, the lungs we have, move the thymus right there. Okay. On ours, we have 3 lungs, so 1, 2, and 3. And on the left, we have 1 right here.
And each branch
Actually,
is called...
that might be 2. There's 2. So there's usually he said that Dr. Wayne said Meyer. So there's usually 3 on the right side and 2 on the left side. What were you gonna say?
Diaphragm.
Diaphragm is on both sides, and it's this fluffy membrane right here.
Divides the thoracic cavity and the abdominal cavity.